Imagine you are at the plate, ready for that perfect pitch. You swing, make contact, and instead of the satisfying thwack, you hear something loose, a distinct rattling coming from inside your bat. It can be a little unsettling, right? That rattling sound inside your baseball bat usually means one thing. There are broken pieces of material, or loose fragments, that have come detached from the bat's interior construction. These fragments can be anything from small shards of composite material to tiny pieces of adhesive or even minuscule bits of metal, depending on the type of bat you are using. The primary reason these pieces break loose is impact stress. Every time a bat makes contact with a ball, it experiences tremendous force. Over time, this repeated impact can cause the internal components of the bat to degrade. For composite bats, the resins and fibers that make up its layers can begin to delaminate or break. In alloy bats, the internal walls or plugs designed to help with weight distribution can sometimes dislodge or fracture due to repeated, high-velocity collisions. Manufacturing defects, though less common, can also contribute to materials coming loose prematurely. If you hear a rattle, the most important step is to stop using that bat immediately. Continuing to use a bat with internal rattling can be unsafe, as its structural integrity is compromised. First, check if your bat is still under warranty. Many manufacturers offer a 1-year or longer warranty on their bats. If it is, contact the manufacturer or the sporting goods store where you purchased it. They can guide you through the return or replacement process. Beyond the immediate concern of loose parts, a rattling bat often indicates a dead spot has developed. This means the bat will not perform as effectively, and you will notice a significant loss in pop and exit velocity. A rattling bat is essentially a clear signal that it is nearing the end of its useful life, or that it had a manufacturing issue from the start. Maintaining your bat properly and avoiding using it in extreme cold can also help extend its life and prevent premature internal damage. Understanding the cause of a rattling bat means you are better equipped to ensure your safety on the field and maintain optimal performance. Recognizing this sound as a serious sign of internal damage allows you to take swift action, preventing potential injury and ensuring you always step up to the plate with reliable equipment ready to perform.